anticipation of the end of the school year, and we are getting pumped for in-person camps with Creative Encounters with Science this summer. So we will be testing our STEM instructors' STEM knowledge with a STEM Instructor Splash Bash. Every pair of instructors will be asked a STEM-themed trivia question, and whoever doesn't answer first will be in for a fun surprise. Let's get started. First, we're going to introduce our instructors. Hi everyone, my name's Sabrina.
I'm Maddie.
My name's Nikita.
I'm Simone.
And my name's Jack.
And Sam's behind the camera. So, our first question. What is the name of the process that plants use to convert sunlight to food?
Buzz. Photosynthesis.
Yeah.
Yes, photosynthesis! Okay, what is the first element on the periodic table?
Hydrogen.
Ah, yes, Nikita! Alrighty, third question. What force acts in the opposite direction of motion to slow down the object?
Buzz. Gravity.
But that's incorrect, it is friction! Okay, STEM is an acronym for what?
Buzz. Science, technology, and math.
I'm too
Engineering
slow.
and mathematics.
Yes, Nikita! Okay, what is the powerhouse of the cell?
Buzz.
Oh, what do we
Nikita.
think? What do we think?
Nikita.
Nikita!
What? Oh, mitochondria.
Yes! Mitochondria! All right. Geometry is the study of what?
Buzz.
Yeah. Yeah, Nikita! Shapes!
Not this time.
I'm already wet anyways.
Okay. Conductors have high or low resistance.
Low.
That's correct.
Yes! Yeah!
Thank you for that one. Okay. Next question. What are the 3 layers of the earth?
The core, not in the core, the crust, and the mantle.
That's correct.
Yes!
All right. Next question. How many hearts does an octopus have?
3.
Yes!
Yes!
This essential gas is important so that we can breathe.
Buzz. Oxygen.
Yay! Optics is the study of what?
Buzz. Light.
Yay!
Oh,
Hi, Simone.
Okay, next question. Animals that eat plants and meat are called
Buzz.
what?
Buzz.
Okay, you have to wait till I finish reading the question before you can give the answer. Maddie, what's the answer?
Omnivores.
Yay!
nice.
Oh God. Okay, who was the scientist to propose the 3 laws of motion?
Buzz.
Yay! Physics! All right. It's a tough one. Okay. What is the hottest planet in the solar system?
Buzz.
Venus. Simone. Yes! What the heck? I did not know that. All right. This is the final question. The final question. Should we put all 4 of you in?
Yeah.
Let's bring all of the instructors back. All right, are you ready? How many teeth does an adult human have?
Buzz. 32. 31.
What's your final answer?
32.
Yes, Maddie! Oh, wait. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to stay tuned for more information on in-person camps with Creative Encounters with Science, where every week is filled with fun STEM-related activities just like this one. Our website, Instagram, Facebook, and email will all be linked below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.